forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
It's been a hot day, but also a stormy one, mainly just up to the north. This is where the line of showers and thunderstorms have been developing, mostly in the UP of Michigan, but now starting to drift down southward for Marinette and also Door County. The lines of showers and thunderstorms have been producing some severe weather, some hail and gusty winds as well. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning, as a matter of fact, until 6:30. This thunderstorm moving across into the Bay of Green Bay. A couple reports of hail, as large as ping pong sized hail over a central part of the county. But as the storms have been moving over the bay, they have been weakening, also cooler water, so that has been stabilizing some of the storms. But needless to say, we still have a couple more hours, and hence why we have a marginal risk for severe weather for our northern counties. Later tonight, once the sun sets, we are expected to see these storms weaken in intensity. We have a couple of disturbances moving across the area, one in Ontario, another one moving over the Ohio River Valley into southern Michigan. These storms will be moving out of the area tonight, and for tomorrow, it looks like another very hot day, but we'll subtract the chance of storms. For tonight, most of the storms will be confined up to the north of Highway 29. Might have a pop-up shower south over there, but notice as we get towards 11, the storms really fizzle out, and by tomorrow morning, we'll be remaining very quiet. Now, on Monday, we'll have a little bit of a ring of fire pattern. We're going to expect a few showers and storms developing over Minnesota late tomorrow night. Then they will swing through here by Monday morning. For Memorial Day, you might look outside and see, oh boy, it's raining, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but by the afternoon, we clear out. We're expecting more sunshine. So don't worry, Memorial Day plans not going to be a complete washout. Here's a look at our camera showing the anvils of the thunderstorms up towards the UP of Michigan, and even some over-popping cumulus clouds showing the intensity of these thunderstorms, producing some gusty winds and hail as well. But with the humid weather comes the temperatures as well. 80s, 90s for highs. We did break a record in Green Bay. 91 our high temperature today. Our record was back in 1978, a record of 88 degrees. So we broke it by 3 degrees, and it looks like with the next 2 days in the 90s, we are going to be well above average, and that's actually the wrong graphic. But high temperatures are temperatures right now in the 80s and lower 90s, so very warm. The only exception is along the lake shore. If you're by the lake, you're enjoying some cooler weather, 70s and 80s, thanks to that cold waters of Lake Michigan. Winds coming in off the lake along the lake shore, but out of the southwest, farther inland, winds out of the west at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. They'll be about 5 to 10 miles per hour later tonight, and temperatures not cooling down by much, and also will be muggy as well. Overnight low of 67 degrees. Then for tomorrow, rising up, yes, if you don't like the 90s, well, keep the air conditioning cranking because you'll need it. Winds out of the west and southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny to completely sunny skies, maybe a few clouds here and there. On Monday for Memorial Day, it's going to be another hot one, 91 degrees. We do cool back down into the mid-80s, still above average. The next 7 days will be all above average, but if you're looking for a little bit of a cool down, we do get back down into the lower 70s by Saturday, and it looks like the stormy action that we're seeing right now will start to subside, so that is some good news. And by Monday, like I mentioned, Mo, a chance of a few showers in the morning hours, but then later in the afternoon, that's when the skies will clear. It looks like barbecue weather looking okay.
Yeah, so most people wake up so they can enjoy the rest of the day then.
That's right.
All right, thank you so much, Gino. We'll still ahead on NBC.